Hello dear viewers, welcome back to your channel's Easy Education Online Academy. This is Masmali Ahmadi with series of Four Corners 2. Don't forget to like, subscribe your channel and share with your friends. سلام بینندای عزیز به کانال Easy Education Online Academy خوش آمدید. من مسملی احمدی هستم با سلسله درس های از فور کارنر 2. فراموش نکنید که حتما کانال خودتان را لایک، سابسکرایب کرده با دوستانتان شریک بسازید. So let's get started. به اینکه درس را آغاز کنیم. Part B. In my opinion. به نظر من. Introduction. عمل متقابل. Opinions. نظریات. Do you ever video chat? What do you like about it? What don't you like? خب آیا گاهی ویدیو چت کردین یعنی از طریق ویدیو تماس گرفتین؟ چیز را خوش دارین و چی را خوش ندارین؟ So to answer these questions, let's do this one. Listen to the conversation. به مکالمه گوش بگیرین. What are the three people? Where are the three people? ای سه شخص در کجا هستند؟ Then practice the conversation. و بعد مکالمه را با هم تمرین کنین. So listen for the audio.
Lesson B. In my opinion. Page 28. Exercise 1. Interactions. Opinions. Part B.
So, Lou, how are things in Bangkok?
Great. It's warm and sunny today.
It's really cold here in Chicago. So when are you coming to see us?
Well, when's a good time to visit?
I'm not sure.
Brian, what do you think?
I think fall is a good time. The weather is great, and there's a lot to do.
Yeah, we can all go to a baseball game then.
That would be great.
Okay. So these three people have video call, okay? Video call. So Luke, how are things in Bangkok? Salam. چی گپاست در بانکوک؟ Great. It's warm and sunny today. خوب. یا فوق‌العاده. امروز گرم و آفتابی است. It's really cold here in Chicago. در شیکاگو هوا خیلی سرد است. So when are you coming to see us? خب چه وقت دیدن ما میایین؟ Well, when is a good time to visit? خب چه وقت مناسب برای دیدن هست؟ I'm not sure. من مطمئن نیستم. Brain, what do you think? Brain تو چه فکر میکنی؟ I think fall is a good time. من فکر میکنم خزان بهترین وقت است. The weather is great and there is a lot to do. آب و هوا خیلی خوب است و بسیار چیزا برای انجام دادن است. یا بسیار کارا برای انجام دادن است. Yeah, we can all go to a baseball game then. وقت میتونیم که همه ما با هم بازی بیسبال بریم. That would be great. فوق‌العاده خواهد باشه. So practice this type of conversation, okay? There are some new expressions. I think. من فکر میکنم. What do you think? تو چه فکر میکنی? So listen to the expressions. Then practice the conversation with a partner. With the new expressions, okay? اینجا به جایی که من فکر میکنم چند گزینه داریم و همچنان به جایی که نظری کسی را بخوایی چند گزینه داریم. So listen for the audio.
Part C. Asking for an opinion.
What do you think? What are your thoughts? What's your opinion?
Giving an opinion.
I think fall is a good time. I'd say fall is a good time. In my opinion, fall is a good time.
Understand? So now we can see when you want to ask for an opinion, you can ask these three expressions or sentences like what do you think? چه فکر میکنی? What are your thoughts? نظریه شما چیست? What is your opinion? نظر شما چیست؟ یعنی کلش یک مفهوم میده. Giving an opinion. وقتی نظریه میدین یا نظر خود بیان میکنین. I think. For example, I think winter is a great time. I would say winter is a great time. In my opinion, winter is a great time. درسته؟ به این شکل شما میتونید نظریاتون را بیان کنید. Number the sentences from 1 to 6, then compare with a partner. Well, what's your favorite season? When are you going to New York? I think spring is a great time to visit. It's usually warm and sunny then. I don't know. What do you think? When is good time to visit? Really? Okay, maybe we will go to New York in May. My favorite season is spring. So in here you have to put the numbers in correct order. Number 1 شماره اول انجام شده و در این بخش شما را نامنظم از جملات شما منظم میسازین. Number 1 مثلا این جمله است. When are you going to New York? نیویورک چه وقت میرین؟ Okay? I think خب مثلا شما در اینجا یک جمله رو پیدا میکنید که جمله منظم باشه. Okay, I'm telling you, okay? Number 2, but before you want to watch this one, stop. Okay? ما براتون میگم اما قبل از دیدن این ویدیو شما باید برین یک بار این استاپ کنید ویدیو را خودتون تکمیل کنین بعد ببینید که چگونه تکمیل شده آیا درست انجام دادین یا خیر. Number 1 number 1 was well number 2 well what's your favorite season? Okay خب number 2 well what's your favorite season? خب فصل دلخواه تو کدام است؟ اینجا آمده my favorite season is spring. فصل دلخواه من spring است. درست؟ بعد سوال کرده when are you going to New York? نیویورک چه وقت میری؟ I don't know. نمیفهمم. What do you think? When is the good time to visit? من نمیفهم. چه وقت مناسب برای رفتن است یا وقتی رفتن اونجا هست. So you can say I think spring is a great time to visit. من فکر میکنم spring وقت خیلی مناسب برای رفتن است. It's usually warm and sunny then. وقت هوا معمولا گرم و آفتابی است. And number 6 really? Okay. Maybe we will go to New York in May. خوب است. پس شاید در ماه می ما نیویورک بریم. Got it? So before you watch this one, first you have to practice, then watch again. So let's go with part 2, listening. When is a good time to visit? چه وقت یک وقتی مناسب برای رفتن یا دیدن هست. Okay? Listen to 3 people talk to friends about the best time to visit these cities. Are their friends' opinions the same or different? به این 3 شخص ببینید که در مورد شهرها گپ میزنن آیا نظر دوستایشان مشابه هستن یا متفاوت. Circle your answers. جوابایتون را حلقه کنین. The same یعنی مشابه هستن. Different متفاوت هستن. So let's do it. ببین که انجام بده.
Page 29. Exercise 2. Listening. When's a good time to visit? 1.
Hey, Gabriel and Bianca. Where exactly in Brazil are you from?
We're from Rio de Janeiro.
Is there a good time to visit? Or is any time okay?
I'd say February is a good time. It's very hot then, and it rains quite a bit. But it's just before Carnival. What do you think, Bianca?
Yes, I think February is a good month. You can go to Carnival and have a lot of fun. Are you planning to visit Brazil?
Yes, I think so.
Well, I can give you names and addresses of some great places.
2.
Hey, Patricia. When's a good time to go to New Zealand? You're going to New Zealand? Well, I think so. I want to go to Queenstown. How nice. Well, I'd say anytime. Anytime? Oh, okay. Let's ask Danny. Danny, what do you think? When's a good time to go to Queenstown? In my opinion, any time is fine. But
Anytime? No, I don't think so. It's pretty cold in July and August, especially in Queenstown. Go in December, January, or February. Remember, that's our summer.
Oh, right. And my winter is going to be...
3.
Sophie, guess what?
What?
I'm going to take a French class in Marseille.
Really? How wonderful.
You're from Marseille, right?
Well, not exactly. I'm from near Marseille. When is your class?
In August. It's a 3-week class.
Oh, don't go then. All of France takes a vacation in August.
Really? Well, when's a good time to visit? Maybe I can change my class.
I'd say the fall. Prices are low then. Jean-Paul, what are your thoughts? Is August a good time to visit Marseille?
In my opinion, it's not a good time. A lot of shops and restaurants close then. I think fall is a nice time, and you can't go wrong.
Okay, so the first one have the same idea. Number 2, they have the same idea too. And number 3, they have different ideas, okay? So now go back, okay? Reverse the video and before you watch again, so listen before you listen again or watch again, check the sentence, which sentence is true and which sentence is false, okay? Number 2, it's very hot in Rio de Janeiro in February. That's true. Patricia thinks it is fine to visit New Zealand anytime. That's true. It's extremely cold in New Zealand in July and August. That's also true. Sophie is from Marseille. It is false because she was not. And a lot of stores and restaurants in France close in August. So that is true. Let's go and jump for the next one. Speaking. Good time, bad time. وقتی خوب، وقتی بد. Discuss the weather and the seasons where you live. Give your opinions. در مورد فصلها و آب و هوا که در جای زندگی میکنین گفتگو کنین. نظریاتتان را بیان کنین. When's good time to visit? When is or when's a good season to visit? چیز فصل وقتی خوبی است برای دیدن رفتن. What months are especially good? مخصوصا کدام ماها خیلی خوب هستند. What's the weather like then? آب و هوا در وقت چگونه می باشه؟ What kinds of things do people do then? در وقت مردم چه کارهایی را کردن میتونن؟ When's not a good time to visit? Why not? چه وقت زمان مناسب برای رفتن نیست؟ چرا نیست؟ So let's see like this a conversation, okay? I think spring is a good time to visit Mexico. من فکر میکنم که مکزیکو یعنی spring بهترین وقت برای دیدن یا رفتن بر مکزیکو است. What do you think? شما چه فکر میکنین؟ Yes, I'd say May is good. من فکر میکنم ماه می خیلی خوبه. The weather is warm then. او وقت هوا گرم است یعنی خوب است. And there are some great festivals. و همچنان فستیوال های خیلی خوب هستند. So you can do a lot of practices with different types of seasons and months. Talk about the weather and seasons with a partner. So it was the end of lesson B. I hope that you enjoyed. Once again, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your channels with your friends. Have a great time.